Sorry, I had to stop that video because the battery was too low. To finish this, it'll be the Kenmore repair part 2, I guess. So I went ahead and defrosted it with the torch. You see it's nice and clean. And I'm going to reinstall this panel, which is pretty easy. Just got to make sure that the water line is through the hole. It's right there. Use my finger to guide it through. Here we go. There we are. Now, back in place. And have to put the screws back in, 4 screws. All right, I'm gonna shut the video down so I can get my screwdriver. Okay, I got my nut driver ready to go here. I'm gonna put 4 screws back in. There we go. Okay, you get the idea. There's 4 screws. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and cycle it on so it starts to cool. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. Now. There we go. Good. Fan? That's good. Alrighty. Okay, we need some parts. Let's see what else we need. We need this. Yep, 1, 2. Okay, that's all the screws. We did good. We didn't lose any. Okay. Alrighty. Now, ice maker. Okay. Alrighty. Has to pop back in joint. Okay. So you might want to do one of these, Carlos.
Yeah, but right now.
Oh, it'll be reconditioned because you don't want to spend full next month.